This is part 2 of my learnings from 2025 that I'm taking into 2026. Part 1's link is in the description. One of my major learnings from this year has been the importance of rest. And rest से मेरा मतलब केवल सोने वाला rest नहीं है. What I mean is taking some time off your work. You can maybe use that time for going for a walk, or maybe spend some time getting bored, doing nothing. And you know what? Getting bored is one of the best things that you can do for yourself, especially if you're someone who does some sort of creative work. And while I'm mentioning this point of rest, I would like to highlight कभी कभी मुझे लगता है that I'm using rest as an excuse for my procrastination. So जब कभी भी आपको ऐसा feel होने लगे तो chances are that you're using rest as an excuse for your procrastination. So there has to be a balance. You have to be mindful of when you're using rest as an excuse and when you actually need it because you are feeling burnout. Second lesson is be grateful for what you have. अगर हम अपनी लाइफ में ऑब्जर्व करेंगे ना तो we can find so many things that we can be grateful for. For example, अगर आपकी एक अच्छी supporting family है, that is something that you should be grateful for. Because कई लोग wish करते हैं कि काश उनकी family supporting होती. मुझे लगता है मेरी लाइफ के कुछ डिसीजंस मैं इसलिए ले पाई बिकॉज मुझे मेरी फैमिली का बहुत सपोर्ट मिला. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई कैन नेवर टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड, लाइक कभी भी नहीं. इफ यू लुक एट योर लाइफ यू विल फाइंड सो मेनी थिंग्स टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर. जैसे कि एक कहावत भी है दैट द लाइफ दैट वी आर लिविंग is the dream life of so many others. So we should be grateful for the life that we have. Grateful रहने का मतलब ये नहीं है that we cannot want more. We can be grateful for what we have and we can still desire more. So being grateful and being aspirational, they both can like coexist together. They both can coexist. Next is find some hobbies. कुछ ना कुछ hobbies हमारे ज़रूर होने चाहिए. And most importantly उन hobbies को हम hobbies की तरह ही treat करें. What I mean is that हमारे ऊपर वो pressure नहीं होना चाहिए to put them on Instagram or Snapchat. So there has to be something that we do just for ourselves and not for the pressure of putting them out on social media. So yeah, that was one more learning. Next is fear is normal. So take that first scary step. Even if you are scared of taking that first step towards your goal, still do it. Because most of the cases में वो fear जो होता है वो केवल first step तक का होता है. Once you take that first step, उसके बाद में चीज़ें आराम से होने लगती हैं हमसे. So for example, for me, talking on camera was like the first time when I switched to the rare mode and created a video. I was super awkward. In fact, even on the selfie mode, I was super awkward when I was shooting my first YouTube video. But then when I started posting, तो चीज़ें थोड़ा आसान हो गई और धीरे धीरे अभी थोड़ा comfortable हो गई हूँ, थोड़ी सी comfortable हो गई हूँ. So take that first scary step if that's something that you really want to do, and उसके बाद में चीज़ें आसान होने लगती हैं. Next is believing in yourself when times are tough. You know, it's very easy to have faith when times are good, when things are going well. But the real test of your faith happens when things start falling out of place. When everywhere that you see are uncertainties, fears, and slow progress. To all those who are still persisting, universe is listening. So yeah, those were my learnings from this year that I'm taking to 2026. आप लोगों के कौन से learnings हैं जो आप 2026 में लेके जाना चाहोगे, comments में बता देना. और अगर ये video अच्छी लगी हो तो like, share, subscribe कर देना. And I have a weekly newsletter that gets delivered every Sunday. वो आपके email inboxes में आपको जाता है. So उसका भी link मैं description में डाल दूँगी. Along with all other social media handles that I have, you can follow me there. And yeah, that's it for this one.